is another version of Mobile Reasoning with me, Charles Hyatt, for Good News Jamaica. Today, I'm blessed to be sitting beside a serious, when I say veteran, when I say foundation, when I say real artist from back in the day, lyricist like crazy, I'm talking about none other than Susette Henry, otherwise known as the Astronaut. Now, the Astronaut is a duo that mash up the place from the 70s, come straight through, but we all know that already, and we'll play some songs and we'll see if we can get him to sing some songs. But right now, what we want to do is know about Zach. Where him come from? What put him in our music? How it work? A countryman? A town man? Me no know. So anyway, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. See? Because these are the things that helps us get more and more content for you. So Zach.
Yes,
Blessings, brother.
Yeah, man, blessings.
It is a pleasure to finally be able to sit down with you.
Yeah, man, same here.
Yeah, I mean, you have been in this industry for over 50 years.
Right.
And you're not stop.
Me not up.
So even recently you put in some songs for the festival song competition, right?
Yes.
All right, but we're not talking about that right now.
Right.
We're not talking about that right now.
Right.
We want to get back to your original state. Where are you from?
I was born in Philadelphia, St. Ann.
Philadelphia, St. Ann?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Then we moved to Bamboo, St. Ann, you know, Canyon Road. Yeah, I went to Bamboo Primary School.
Okay.
Yeah. 1962, we get independence. All right. So I was at the flag raising
ceremony.
I wasn't singing at that time. I was singing, but not, you know, they didn't like get me to sing. But I wasn't popular as yet. I was discovered when I come to Kingston.
Okay.
And even before the festival song thing, I was in a lot of pantomimes.
Oh, what you say?
With Charles Hyatt and Valier Johnson and Samuel, Oliver Samuel. Yeah, man.
So you started out on the stage anyway?
Yes. Yeah. I remember one, it was Nancy Out West. No, it was a Stafford Harrison play. But I was at the War Theatre. I was supposed to be a Rasta. So they put me on this barrel, you know, just because they have a religious meeting in the square. So I was supposed to, you know, Rasta no check me.
The religion thing.
Thing. So me have me locks and everything and whatever, right? So I was supposed to be out there getting in the spirit. You know, there was a big barrel, you know, this big old barrel. So they put a piece of wood on top of it. So one night while I was there getting in the spirit, the board break and I fall down in the barrel. And I stood there, hallelujah! You know, never break.
Yeah.
You know.
Real actor for the stage, man.
Oliver Samuel, Massey, you know, all them artists, you know. Ronnie Williams, we do a show, we do a play that went around the island. For this, and they do it in the schools, you know. And I was Ronnie wouldn't bathe. You know, him living in a little tenement yard, and he wouldn't bathe. So I think after we bathed him, he died the next day.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I wouldn't bathe. But that was comedy, man. I tell you. Yeah. Then I started to enter the
The festival.
no, yeah, festival, but like in poetry, you know.
Okay, okay.
And then I entered the folk song thing, like Same plan pisa kandong agoli, ani bear till it kill oh Same. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy did do, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead oh. And not tape, Sammy tape, why they kill him? And not thief, Sammy thief, why they kill him? But I go through, yes I go through, why they kill him? Yes I go through, yes I go through, why they kill him? Sammy plape saka doga goli, ani biatele kill poor Sammy. Them people bad mind and them cruel. Yes, sir. Sammy gone, Sammy gone, Sammy gone.
It's like you're writing at the competition said we when you did young. You remember everything from back then?
Yeah, man.
Tell me some early memories where you have from, like, say, because you say you grew up in St. Ann,
Yeah.
right? And you moved to Kingston. What age were you when you moved to Kingston?
And I made to Kingston, what, like 30 something.
Oh,
20 something. 20 something.
You moved here big, as a big man. All
Yeah.
right. So tell me some youth memories now. Tell me some Countryman memories where you remember.
Man. All right. My brother, right?
Yeah.
He was very dominating. So anything that he says, I have to do it. Let him beat up my blouse and skirt. Yeah, you know. So, but what are the thing? Like we used to go way up in the mountain near to 7 miles where Bob Marley come from. So we have this empty crocus bag carried, you know. So I said to him, no, we make an agreement and say, all right, I carry the crocus bag go to number 1, which is, you know, part of the whole journey up to the mountain. So when reach number 1, him no want to take the bag empty, you know. So I said to him, this is where I say I'm taking the bag. You know, Papa. You say, I said, me I take the bag and you please go on with it now. And take up some stone and fling.
What you say?
Yeah, man. I said, you better go back with the bag, you know. Because, yeah, man, that's a barefoot we are going mountain, you know.
Of course, yeah.
So I'll buck out my toenail. Because of the party. Because my father would, I never can say it. You can't hear it.
Why? Well, go ahead.
Yeah. My father would piss on my toe. And I did I cry on a hop. I said, but I can't. That I have burn on my blouse and skirt.
The salt from the piss of burn out your foot.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
Can't piss on it and it, you know, you put it on the stone.
Yeah.
And all the nail will come out.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, my Lord. Then bury again. She buried it bad enough. But I have to follow what he says.
Yeah.
So, we have a man, we have a lot of cocoa, and we are go to the mountain to my father farm, you know, or ground, them days they call it. Yeah. So, but we don't have no commander cocoa. Commander cocoa is the one with the red bottom.
Okay.
And then the minty, we have a lot of minty cocoa, but no commander cocoa. So we know this man that have this nice commander cocoa. So on the way, all right. We stop at Hazelwood and buy a pound of corn pork. Right? But we now have no commander cocoa. We only have minty cocoa. So we just stop at this man's field, dig out him commander cocoa, and then plant back the root. So the man might say, he never know that it was us. You know? So probably the man is saying, but I said cocoa just dry up and look when the next one to next to it. I'm so healthy. The man say, all the cocoa.
How will you say?
Me and Barry dig out and go cook with canned pork and cocoa.
How will you say to me?
Yeah, man. Because we have the minty cocoa. But we don't have no minty cocoa, yeah, man.
You got to take up the man cocoa.
And put it back, like say.
One of the dangerous, man. One of the dangerous.
Yeah, man.
So when you moved to Kingston, Barry was still, or did he move with you or?
No, he came to Kingston before me.
Before? Himself
Barry just died last year.
Yeah?
Yeah, last year. I don't remember the exact date. But he's buried at what famous
Meadows? Okay. So when he came to Kingston and him say, all right, follow me now, because like you say, you follow Barry everywhere, you do it whatever him say.
Yeah.
Was he involved in the entertainment business? How did you jump into the entertainment business?
I was always interested in the entertainment.
You?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to be an actor and an artist, you know, visual. So at school, I would I could draw very well, you know, and these people would ask me to draw like the map or the diagram, and they pay me threepence.
Okay. Yeah, so, make big money, man.
Yeah, because it's threepence for a lunch, 3 pence. But you know, Jamaican papa, threepence. Or if you don't have the threepence, the 3 pence, you have to bring a breadfruit.
You have to bring a breadfruit?
A green breadfruit we cook in the lunch, and they give you a sweet potato.
So hold on. Instead of you coming with the 3 pence or what they would call threepence, is today I realize that threepence is 3 pence.
3 pence.
Because I tell you that.
Yeah.
But instead of you coming with that payment, you give them sweet potato or
a breadfruit.
How will you said to me?
Or and a banana.
So why them can't do that these days?
That I said them a pit in our them.
Everything them a do a rundown money these days.
Yeah. You know. And we have to work, weed grass, beer. And when we go into the mountain, you know.
Yeah.
It's like 200 miles.
No, it can't be 200 miles.
From Bamboo, check it out. From Bamboo to 7 miles.
And a 200 mile that?
About 150.
No, it's not 150. Anyway, no, you never walk 150 miles.
Yeah,
Listen to me. It take an hour and a half to drive 100 miles on 95 knots. Yeah. That's going 80 miles an hour.
Not drive, we walk.
You're not? All right, never mind. Never mind. Anyway, so when you came to town now, you always wanted to be an actor.
Always.
So how did you get into the entertainment business?
All right. I'm trying to remember the song. I was walking down the road one early Sunday morning. Another neighbor reached me land. I hear a woman crying on. Mass Joe.
Mass Joe.
Mass Joe. Now by that time, it's called Rooster Rock.
Right, okay. Now, stick up in. Later on in your career,
yeah, you
did a song like that.
Yeah, the same song.
Called Pen the Cock.
Pen the Cock.
Good, all right. Same song.
But we changed it up.
Yes.
But when time we doing it on stage, we put it back to the original thing. I was walking down the road one early Sunday morning, and as a neighbor reached me yard, I hear a quarrel going on. It was Matty and Mastro squirrel, but a fowl, and some corn. I hear Miss Matty say, Master, this can go on. She's a young little pick-me girl, and her corn just start to grow. You ain't gonna let out your big old cock, in your pick-me corn to crow. But if you want your cock to crow, nobody let him crow the so. Cause the picnic corn grow, and I just what they so. Pin up your cock. I may say kubo up your fowl. I may say kubo up your cock, and don't you let him go. But in the festival time we say big kubo up your rooster. I get, what me get? Me win.
Of course. No, you never win with that one.
No, in
that competition you won with that.
Yes, yes, the amateur team.
Right, yes.
I won, what me get? A bronze medal and something. Never get no money. No. But we are crocus bag suit, bell bottom suit.
We just said
best costume, man.
What?
Watch on, man. I'm barefoot.
Where was that performance?
In Mandible.
Oh.
What a famous school, girls' school in.
Oh God, yeah.
It's
I'm the wrong
Mandible
person for ask that, you know.
Brownstone, no. You that something. Anyway, one of them schools.
Yeah. All right. So okay, that was your first bite out of the entertainment industry.
Right.
And you said, no man, this thing set away.
Yeah.
So what kept you going now? What else you saw that you said, may I forget that?
Well, I started to sing folk songs. Like, you tell you already, some me pla. No,
yeah, you tell me
already.
Yeah.
All right, song like come the man. Matty dead. I know Matty. Sammy dead.
Yeah,
Sammy dead. We did that already. You know them songs there, them folk songs.
Them folk songs from back in the day.
And all this is my island in the sun. Excuse I.
Yeah, man. But the thing about it is that those songs are perfectly made for like your voice.
Yeah.
And Stanley voice and all the other people, especially you and the original astronaut who died in a car crash. What give me his name again?
Donald Wright.
Donald Wright. Yeah. He was the one that penned. What was the song now?
Them up Anapolu.
No, that one there. It was the Jamaica song. How it go now?
I'm born Jamaican.
Born Jamaican. It was him?
Sir.
It wasn't him that penned that?
No, sir, me write it.
Are you right that song?
Me write all that song. But I share the credit with him, yeah, sir.
Okay. Because I was doing some research and it actually has him as the writer.
No,
so, okay, all right.
I will try to put that in.
We're going to talk some more about that because there's one thing that I need to hear from you and it is about your royalties, but we're not going to get into that yet.
Right.
So nobody start get vexed now.
No.
So, all right, so what made you jump into the festival competition?
Because there was a way of breaking into the entertainment thing.
Right.
You know?
Right.
Because usually, as I say, I usually enter the folk things and whatever, and the mentor.
Oh, you used to do mentor also?
Yeah, mentor songs.
I've only heard your festival songs and I've never heard the mentor songs.
Yeah, man, the one of those song. I was walking down the road.
But that's not mentor.
Yeah.
Them change it?
Huh?
They pen up the cock? That is mentor?
Yeah.
Because when I hear it, it's on a festival rhythm. Right? Like I don't hear the rumba box. I don't hear anything like, I hear the banjo, but I don't hear the rumba box in it. But anyway, it doesn't matter. If you say it's mentor, it's mentor. But here what I'm asking you now. When you entered the festival the first time and you did Born Jamaican,
Yeah.
it was like a landslide for you.
Yeah, yeah.
It was like nobody else did in the competition.
It's true, man.
How you come up with a song then now?
I'm a born Jamaican. I'm a son of the Sile. I love the sea. I love the sun. Lord, I love this land. No matter where I roam, Jamaica is my home. I love the girls, coconut water and white rum. I hear some people say they are going away, but if I even leave, I won't be going away to stay. I'm a born Jamaican, I'm a son of the soil. I love the sea, I love the sun, Lord, I love this land. No matter where I roam, Jamaica is my home. I love the girls, coconut water and white rum.
So Zach, you were saying now that you were going through the song Jamaican born, Born Jamaican. Yeah. And that was a landslide for you, right?
Landslide, yeah.
It was like nobody else did.
Nobody else.
Let me ask you this, you remember who came in second?
No.
You just wipe up that thing.
Just one horse race, man. May I try? It wasn't Danielson wouldn't come. I remember.
I don't remember either. But I'll find it. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen. Yeah. Just remember, guys, like, share, and comment on this video because this is a one-time thing. This is Zach from the Astronauts. Go out there and look for the interviews. You see some little things at a festival where somebody stop him and talk to him, but you don't get these veterans to come in front of your camera and talk. And so I'm so blessed to have you here and to be able to go through your history.
Thank you to long time you want to interview.
Yeah, man.
Wanted, you know?
Yeah, man, definitely. All right, so now the second time you won, because you've won four festival competitions, right?
Yeah.
Jamaica, Born Jamaican, then you did Make We Jam, which me not understand. I'm going to tell you bona fide. Me not understand how that win a festival song.
Me not. It's a way of performance, you know? And the people them just love it.
It became like your biggest song.
And I think, of course, the people them just, the women them just love it, you know? So it was just landslide. I go up on stage the first time I said, I want a woman. Yeah.
So it was again landslide business once that song came out.
Yeah, man.
And then you did No Pollute It or Them Pollute It?
Them a pollute the place with all of them waste. We know all it about wrong. Me say we get some pride and a bother height, cause you polluting the place with all of your waste. I am the one them call the men up down. Some wine and go on the song.
I love that. Now, what was the fourth time you won festival? It was in 1996.
Make we go spree.
Yes, that's right. Make we go spree, that's right.
Come on and all, let's all unite in peace and harmony and live up this roots and culture. Come make we go spree. Hear the music play sweet and low. Jump and make the good time roll. Whoa, whoa. Me say we get some, me no remember.
I saw it go, you don't remember it all the while, but so it go, man. Yeah, man, nothing wrong with that. There is a song that I've heard you sing that gets you in a trouble.
Yeah.
Well, most of your songs them get you in a trouble.
Right.
Most of your songs them get in a trouble.
With this one or whatever.
But this one gets you in a trouble with politicians.
Yeah.
No, you going to sing it for me?
I want to say, yeah, man. Why not?
Why
That's my
not?
song.
Why not? It is your song.
Yeah. All right. The song says, bang bang lily bang bang dang dang. Let's see. Remember?
Remember this?
No, it was Sam Carty who wrote the song.
Okay.
It was. I saw me rocky, you be rocky back.
Yes.
Everyone a rock up in a jam around. I am a mashy, you feel mashy back. This is the time we really got to move.
But you did a counteraction to that.
Yeah. And then we never win. So we draw. How we do them make them do with that? Them a politician, them a idiot. How we give them make them give with that? Them a politician, them a fool. Banana. So some the
good thing though is that song became a big song with the people.
Yeah.
But it never gone away for you as far as airplay and all them things. Because back in those times, them did a try. Politicians was trying to keep down everything that wasn't for them. So I said,
right.
I said, but the people them did love it.
Oh, I mean, man.
Anyway it play.
Anyway.
Mash up.
England, America.
Yeah.
Cayman.
Anyway. Now, do you have children?
Yeah, one daughter.
One daughter. Is she in the entertainment business?
Nope.
What does she do?
She's a hairdresser.
I like that.
And makeup art. Makeup.
So hold on, she is in the entertainment business because she does hair and makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And nails and all them.
I love.
Sorry. We can start to read.
Anyway, we can't edit that though. Let me tell you, Zach a bad boy, you know. Zach a bad boy, you know, but we love him.
He's a bad, good boy.
Yes. But, all right, so now, I had the privilege, few years back, to hear you make up a song on the spot.
Yeah.
You made up a song, let me see if you can remember it, about my dog. You remember it?
No.
How she never, every time you come around, she did bark at you, and how the song did go, man?
I remember either.
Anyway, you made up a song and you were out there.
I said, tap your knives.
Yeah.
Whatever. From me there, me know you from your puppy. You come back after me, pop. Tap your knives. Shut up.
I remember the song, man. And it was like when I was in the living room, I hear you, I belt out the song, I say, only Zach.
Yeah, man.
It sounded like you could have got studio with that song right away.
Yeah. Just give me one word and we can make up a song straight.
It's just a natural thing for you.
Yeah.
It's an inborn concept for you.
Right. You know? And I always want to be, from I was a kid, you know, I want to either be, as I tell you, I want to be a graphic artist. And I used to get money drawing maps and diagrams for those boys. And then I auditioned for drama school and got in with a story about my donkey named Jane.
Okay.
Yeah, I got in, but I couldn't afford it at the time. I couldn't afford it. It was what, 20 pounds? Not in a pound. 20 something. I don't remember if it's $1 to get in. Yeah, but I keep on auditioning. I'm doing poems for like Leonie Forbes and anyway, amateur thing. I go on May night and go audition for I'll form a dance group.
Okay.
And come second. But we'd have won, but it was like 4 of us, and I'm the one with the singing thing and whatever. So this guy, the other two guys, and so do some cartwheels and jump into the other guy's arm. You know. But when I do the split on the ground, him pan steer. So I'm just couple and just run off of the stage.
Oh no.
We could almost win, you know.
Oh no.
That they qualify us for that because we didn't finish it.
Right, of course.
We have some wicked costume, you know. Taylor guy down Kingston. Remember his name now. It's gonna be some wicked costume for us. In Jamaica we mean, when we say wicked, we mean good. Start, you know?
That's right. All right, so the great thing is that you're still active. You're still doing shows.
Yeah.
I mean, the first astronaut died.
Right.
And then Soulja, we don't see you with Soulja anymore. How is it the astronauts that are still being booked, or is it just Zach Henry?
No, astronauts.
So who is the other astronaut then?
Astronaut was always two people, you know.
Me know, but the first one died in the car crash.
Yeah.
And then Soulja.
Yeah.
But we don't see Soulja no more.
Michael Beckford. Yeah. I will probably drink among the day, so you know. Because it's just after we win with one big song. Them pay a lot of money. First we will get them big money there. So I don't know if I'm saying bring back anything.
You say all of that now. You say when Zach no want to tell you something, you know, him you understand? But
so,
this,
there was a lot of what do you call it? Bad feelings.
Okay.
Because certain people go to the Donald wake and say certain things.
Okay.
Right?
I know you're going to start talking a code, so let's move on to something else. Because I don't feel like the blum 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 blum. What you love do. Yeah. So, but you're still active up to today?
Yeah, man. The other day I tell about the water commission thing, yes?
No, you don't tell me that.
We went down to water commission, you know, because we refurbishing the house. So as I entered through the door, this big browning just jumping and jumping on my chest and say, Astronaut, come, give me a hug. And she said, I said, you're big in England, you know.
Yeah.
All the house parties.
What?
You know, we call it raping. And we rape for you when I sing the born Jamaican songs or make the jam songs and all them songs, you know.
I love it.
Yeah, man.
No, I had said to you little while ago that I was going to come around to a very sore subject of yours.
Yeah.
Your royalties.
Right. Everybody have me song out there, me not get no royalty.
But you know I'm gonna be a critical person, right? I'm gonna tell you straight. Yeah. Are your fault you're not getting no royalty?
Yeah, because
are you for chase it?
But me never know. Me never know the run-ins.
Yeah.
We just want to go to music and you see I'll make a jam. And especially born Jamaican. We did a show at Yankee Stadium.
Wow.
In England.
No, Yankees, no, in New York.
New York. No man, it was in England.
Yankee Stadium?
Which one in
New York Yankees?
Yeah, man.
That's in New York?
Yeah, in New York.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. So we was there, I think Ryan was on the show, and Stanley before he was on it too. And then it started to rain. I never see so much white people throw their umbrella, take off them shoes, and dance in the mud.
All right.
So this woman that I met at the Water Commission, she says, I was there, you know, I was there.
What?
So she said, we are ravers. So if you come into England, let us know. We will, help to
show up and everything.
Yeah, we have. they said they have a lot of fans in this group that you have. Yeah.
Yeah, but we're talking about the royalties. How you going to fix that? Because these songs are, I mean, golden for Jamaica. They're staple songs when you're playing a set in Jamaica. So how is it you're not getting any royalties for these things?
Because we never know the...
Yeah, but this is now.
Yeah.
And there's back pay and all these things that's supposed to happen. So you have to chase it.
Yeah, go get a good lawyer. But this is money, the lawyer they go and get most of the money.
No, that's not true. That's not true. The lawyer might get 20% of the whatever they collect.
Yeah, man, I would correct.
So, you know, and 80% of something is better than 0% of nothing.
Yeah.
Or 100% of nothing.
All right. I must tell you too, this, because it stands out in my mind all the time. You know, the Rio Grande. So one day we went down there. Some people came from America, and I was like the tour guide, you know. So while we go down there with that, one mentor one hand and a raw playing. I'm a born Jamaican. I'm a no, and the tourists going down.
I jump to it.
Yeah, the Rio Grande. And I think they never video it. No, they never video them time. But and then there's a new mental band calling themselves Born Jamaican.
What?
Right now.
What?
But I said Born Jamaican. It's them come up.
What?
You know, like a...
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Like them have a rumba box and all of that.
Wow.
You know, it's a mentor band, you know.
Are they from Jamaica?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like it's one of them hotel mentor band, you know.
Okay.
I need to get in touch with them because they're supposed to pay me right.
Well, I think that you should get a lawyer first, you know.
Yeah.
Get a intellectual property lawyer to handle your business, because you have business out there to handle.
Really?
And I would hate to see all of that go to nowhere, because I mean I went onto Spotify the other day, and last year the best of the Astronauts came out, and I think 15 tracks on it.
Yeah.
15 or so tracks. All right. So I mean, unless it was you that put that out, then there's somebody collecting all of that stuff.
Yeah, I know. And as I say, we need to get a lawyer and copyright lawyer.
So if you are a lawyer out there and you can help Zach, the astronaut, get the royalties that he needs, the residuals and the royalties, how can they get in contact with you?
I'm at third. Give the address? Or?
No, just give the email address or telephone number. You don't know the email? Anyway, I'll put the email address somewhere in the description, and I'll put the telephone number in the description. So please get in contact, because it's not right. It's not right to have our veterans doing the work for so many years and they're not receiving anything for it, right?
All of them are pirate.
Zach, bless up my brother, and thank you so much for sitting down with us. I really appreciate this.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah, man. Long time supposed to do the interview.
Oh, you mean, man? And I'm glad that we got to do it.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad that we got to do it.
We all work together, and
give me some last motivational words for your fans that are watching you.
Well, my fans, I want to thank you for the support over the years, and keep on supporting me. My music is all over the place, but I got to get it organized by my friend here, with the help of my friend here, Charles Hyatt. And this is the famous Charles Hyatt's son.
It's you me want the people them focus on.
Then me tell them already, man, but me a big you up. Me not crave me.
All right. People, remember, like, share, comment on the video. And if you know anybody, check the description for the information for Zach. Until such time, make sure you make somebody's heart smile. Right?
Right.
Bless up.
Right. Yes.
Thank you for checking us out on Good News Jamaica TV for content that informs, inspires, and transforms. Please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more positive Jamaica content. Walk good,